Hello, everyone. I am Rachel from mercifulmornings.com, and on this channel, you will find the education, encouragement, support that you need for online teaching and for daily life. Obviously, today we are in the online teaching world, and I wanted to come on here today. I'm actually going through the Zoom program today because I want to try to go through Canva. I've talked about Canva some before. It is what I use. It's the program, the website, the app, whatever, that I use to create the images for a billion different things that I use. And a lot of people are not familiar with Canva. I wasn't until a few months ago, and now I'm like obsessed with it and I use it every day. So I wanted to jump on here and try to show you, we're going to see how smoothly this goes, show you how I use Canva to create primarily the image portion of my Outschool classes. So if you teach for Outschool, or if you're wanting to teach for Outschool, you have to submit an image with your class. It's not supposed to have a bunch of text on it. It's just supposed to be an image to represent whatever your class is about. And it also does not need to include copyrighted pictures. So with Canva, the nice thing is everything is free game. You can use whatever you want, create your own design. So I want to jump in here today, kind of show you how I go about creating my images for my Outschool classes. I also use Canva for like my YouTube thumbnails, Instagram post pictures, Facebook post, you can use it for anything. I've made worksheets, my templates, all of these things you can make on Canva. So there are a lot of options, but today I just want to show you the process of going through and creating an image for your Outschool courses, so you at least have that down. And then maybe another day we'll have time to look at something else. Okay, so I'm going to attempt to share my screen. Let's see if I can get the correct page pulled up. Here it comes. Share. Now look, I'm up in this little corner. Hello. I'll make me just a little bit bigger. Isn't this fun? Okay, so this is Canva. It's just canva.com. You like how I have all these other things open. Here, we'll close some tabs. Okay, canva.com. It's easy. There is a free version. I do pay for the year, which is just a little over $100 for the whole year, but you can do a ton of things for free, and we will look at that. So when you are creating your image for Outschool, you do want to use the Facebook ad template. You'll notice there are a ton of different, they'll recommend different templates. You can do a checklist, blog graphics, YouTube thumbnails, all these things are on here. You want the Facebook ad, and if it doesn't pop up here for you, you can also just type in right here, Facebook, it'll come up, Facebook ad. And those are the dimensions that you want for your image for an Outschool course. So I'm going to go here. It's going to pop up all these templates. Now you can just choose a blank one if you already know, if you have in mind what you want your image to look like. And if you're not really sure, they're going to provide you with all these different templates you could choose from. So maybe I am teaching a baking class. Let's just look at this one. That pizza would make my life really easy because we're actually going to learn how to bake a pizza in my class. And so I'm going to click on that one, and it's going to open it up for me where I can edit it and make it whatever I want it to be. So we're loading, here it comes. I see the pizza. All right, now this obviously is not exactly what I need for my class. First of all, I don't want text. So I'm going to click right here, and I am going to delete that because I don't, and I'm going to delete that whole group of text. I don't want any of it. It's gone. Boom. So there's that. Now I can leave this as it is, and this is my thumbnail if I'm doing a pizza class. Maybe I'm teaching a class about healthy food versus unhealthy food. Maybe I want to add like a healthy food to this. So I'm going to come over here. You can click on photos, which means you can upload your own or choose from some that they have. There are elements. And I mean, guys, there are all kinds of things you can throw on here. But let's say I want a photo of fruit to demonstrate some healthy vegetables. I'm just going to type in fruit in the photo section and see, look at that. Look at what all pops up. So maybe I just want this picture here. Boom, it's free. It said free on it. And I want it to occupy this side of my picture. Now I can crop it. I can go here and click crop if I don't want all that white space on it. And I can bring it on over. See how easy this is? I just brought it over and now I'm done. So I've got fruit here. I can make it bigger to fit the space. This is, I'm seriously just making this up as I go. I just want to show you how simple this can be. I've got fruits, I've got pizza. Maybe I need a dividing line down the middle to make that a little more distinctive and not looking so funky. So I can go to elements. Down here, there's features, coronavirus. Guys, you could make a class about coronavirus. There it is. Don't do that. That would be tricky. All right, shapes, frames, stickers. Those are fun. Lines. That's what I want. I want a line. So I'm going to pick one, and I'm going to make sure I pick one that's free. Let's see. We could do a dotted line. I think I want like a legit solid line between. Oh, I could even make it fun looking. That one's free. So I'm going to choose this one. I need it to go the other way. So you'll see the handy little arrows here. I'm going to twist it around till it's at 90 degrees. There we go. And I'm going to move it over as a divider. You'll notice, I don't know how well you can see it, there's a little pink line to show that I'm in the middle of the slide. So that's going to go there. I don't really like that color. So I can click on the color up at the top there and it's going to show me all these different color options that I could choose. I can do whatever I want here. So maybe I want a green one. That looks lovely. Maybe I also feel the need to have a border around it to make it look a little more professional put together. We can go back to elements and back up here on shapes. They've got frames of things. Let's see, where are my shapes? There they are. And I can add a frame. Do you see how simple this is? I'm just clicking around. You can explore and find whatever you want. So here I'm just going to scroll down and see. Looky there. There's a frame. I'm going to click that. I'm going to make it probably the same size. They've already remembered the color. They remembered the color I used, so it's there. And I'm just going to stretch it out to fit what I'm doing. Stretch it out there and there on the bottom over to the side. Boom, I have a framed out healthy and unhealthy food image to go with my class that I'm going to teach about foods that are healthy and unhealthy. So I just wanted you to see just a quick example of how you can make something like that. Over here in the top right corner, you'll download it to your computer, download, and I do suggest you do the PNG. You'll want to do that. Download it to your computer. Boom, and it's going to be saved on your computer. And then when you go to put in all of your class information on Outschool, you just upload that as your image. So yay, your design has been published. Congratulations. We just made an image for an Outschool class. So over here, again, you can play around with this. There are different templates to choose from, different photos. You can go through, look, they've got vegetables, nuts. You can scroll all through this stuff. The elements, text, you can add a text box. Now for Outschool images, they don't want text on there, but if there were other things, if you wanted to create worksheets or something, you do have that option. So there is text. Music, I haven't done anything with music, so I'm not even going to go there, but that is in here. And videos. There are different backgrounds that you could choose. So if you just wanted like a solid color background, or if you want a landscape or a pattern of some sort, there are all different super cool, fun things that you can choose from. Food. See, I could have come here for food too. Look how easy that is. You can also upload your own images. So if you just take a picture of something in your house, maybe you're teaching cake decorating and you want to take a picture of the cake decorations that you have and use that as your image. Take your picture, upload it. You like all this? Isn't that fun? So that's it. That's really it for Canva. You come in, you play around, you have fun. Make sure it's a Facebook ad for your Outschool class image because that's the size that fits the best. That is really all that I have to share for Canva today. If you have other questions about it, or if you want to see other things demonstrated, let me know. Leave a note in the comments. If you are currently teaching for Outschool, I would love to know from you what you're teaching and how you're liking it. If you are not yet teaching for Outschool, but this sounds like fun, then email me, mercifulmornings@gmail.com. I would love to help you get started. I love doing this. I love coaching teachers. It's so fun for me. I love helping with course creation and image creation, all of these things. It's super fun for me. So email me. I'll also leave a link below where you can apply. Just be sure to email me too so that I get your contact information, because Outschool will not give that to me. So be sure I get that from you if you do apply. What else do we need to cover? Oh, if this was helpful, like it. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell. All of those things are important so you don't miss any of the information that I have coming out about all these fun online teaching things. I think that's it for today. I do create Canva images for teachers who don't want to go through this process, who don't want to make their own, don't find their own images. I create them for $5 an image. Easy peasy, done. So if you just need some images created for your classes, also email me, mercifulmornings@gmail.com. I would love to make some for you. I think it's super fun. I like it. So hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.